Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today happens to be your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe and allow all notifications so that you don't miss my next video. This video is for the DV lottery photo requirement. Watch the video to an end and know how you can format your photo to meet the requirement in order not to be disqualified. So if you want to use your photo for the registration, for example, if you have a picture like this and you want to use it for the registration, you should know that the picture size should not be more than 25 kilobytes. For example, if you look at this picture, it has a picture size of more than that, which is 529 kilobytes. It's more than that, and the picture dimension should be also be 60 by 60, and this one is what the resolution is 1200 by 1498. So it means that it is more than the requirement given. So this is what you have to do. The picture background should be white, and don't forget that you don't have to wear necklace or earring. If you're a lady, you don't have to put on makeup. Just use your raw face, project your face nicely when you are taking the picture. The picture should not be more than 6 months old. Take note of that too. So I'm going to show you how you can change this picture background to do that. So let me see. Okay, we can use different types of pictures. We can use different type of pictures. Let me see if I can get a different picture for this tutorial. So you can use different type. We can use this picture. Okay, so let's see this picture dimension. You see that this one too, the dimension is this picture, the size is 82 kilobyte, which is okay, and the dimension too, or the resolution is 735, which is also quite okay. So let's see how to change the picture background. Let's see how to change the picture background. Okay, so come to this website, come and type, go to your Chrome browser and type remove.bj. okay, and this is how you get it. Remove.bj. This is it. So you click on it, click on this one, select the picture. So I select this picture. So you see that it will be removing the background. So the background has been removed. Come and click here, click on background. When you click on background, come and click on color. When you click on color, come and select white here. So you see that the background has been changed. Okay, so that's good. So you click on done here. When you click on done, come and click on download. So our picture has been downloaded. The next thing that we have to do is that we have to go to the website, another website, that is the Photo2 website, to format the picture nicely to meet the requirement. So for example, let's go to the website. The website is Photo2. okay, this is it, photo2.state.gov. go there. So this is it, Photo2. come here. So when you come here, scroll down. When you scroll down, click here, click here, down here, and select the photo. Okay, all right, so let's select, first of all, let's select a different photo and see what they will tell us. So let me select this one. You see, your photo has been rejected for the following reason. minimum photo dimensions are 60 by what 60. So it means that this photo does not have 60 by 60 dimension. Let me come and pick another one. Let me pick this one. You see that this one has been accepted. So you see accepted and proceed. So the moment you see a green color mark around it, it means that it is accepted. So if you want to do manual cropping, you can do. If you want it to do automatic cropping, just click on accept and what proceed. So this one is accepted, but don't forget that the background is not correct. So you see, but we are going to change it. Okay, so we are going to pick the one that will remove the background. Let's select that one. You see it is accepted. Green lines has been given. So when you click on accept and proceed, you see that it has given you nice looking, but the top is a little bit cut, so we can decide to go back, take it again and choose manual cropping. Okay, so when you choose manual cropping, you can do everything by yourself. All right, so that is it. Okay, so we are going to do the manual cropping ourselves. All right, so guys, that is it. So you just click on accept. If you are okay, just come here, click on the download button here, then the picture will be downloaded. So when you are doing the registration, when it gets to where you insert the picture that you have formatted here, come and pick that picture, the picture that you just downloaded, pick that picture and insert it. So follow the tutorial very carefully. Change the background using the website remove.bj, and also use the photo tool to format the picture or resize the picture. If you use the photo tool will work on the picture, reduce the dimension to 60 by 60, the size to the appropriate size. So all that you have to do is to just download it and use it for your work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.